So this is how to tie a Super 8 knot. Super 8 knots are very handy for anchor building. Another name for this knot is a figure 8 with bunny ears. I'm going to start with taking, with plenty of tail, take a bight of rope. Now, on that bight of rope, I'm going to make another bight of rope, making sure that I have at least 6 inches of tail at the end of it. So here we go. I have now made a bight on a bight. Okay, from here, I'm going to start tying a Super 8. So lacing my tail all the way around the alien head, choking him, back to the front, and now this is the different part. Instead of taking the end of this and just lacing it through, I'm going to take another bight of rope and push just that bight of rope through my alien head, like that. Okay, and now with the tail that has a loop because we took it off a bight, I'm going to bring it back over the entire system, like that. Now I can grab this bight, the bunny ears part of the 8, and start pulling everything tight. There. So what we have here is something that looks like an 8 on a bight, but with two loops coming out of the top. These are the bunny ears. And this still looks like an 8, although we don't count 10 sets of parallel lines on this one. We can see that there are 4 ropes coming in, and there's 2 sets of parallel lines. And on the bottom of the 8, see it, we have three loops for the bottom of the 8, not 2. Just for the bottom. The top still has just 2. And then bunny ears on the top. That's what the Super 8 looks like. Ta-da!